How to fix error 0x0000011b. Windows cannot connect to the printer on Windows 11 and Windows 10. On the host computer, hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in regedit and click OK. In the Windows registry editor, navigate to h-local_machine/system/current control set/control/print. Right-click the print registry key, select New, and click D-word 32-bit value. Name the new key RPC Authn level privacy enabled. Right-click RPC Authn level privacy enabled and click Modify. Set the value data to 0 and click OK. Close the Windows registry editor. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in services.msc and click OK. Find Print Spooler, right-click it, and click Restart. Close the Services window. Now try connecting to your printer on the client computer. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's Duplicate File Finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.